Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience, and any comments or questions you may have, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. I know I've got a bunch of comments to go through and I will start on those tonight when everything settles down a bit. I'm going to talk about VeChain today and their NFT Marketplace, but before I get to that I'll have a quick look at the cryptocurrency market and see how it's doing. We're still above $1 trillion, currently at 1.06 trillion. We're down 1.89% across the whole market, so it's a bit of a pullback day today, but as I've previously said, I don't really mind days like that. It gives me an opportunity to get in at better prices. Got a 24-hour trading volume of $64 billion. Bitcoin dominance continues to be eroded away bit by bit. It's still obviously leading the pack, but the altcoins are taking a few of the people are removing money from Bitcoin and putting a little bit into the smaller projects. So Bitcoin itself is still in between that $22,000-$23,000 range. Still in a good healthy position, so I'd expect that to be pushing up shortly. Obviously none of this is financial advice, it's just me sharing information on projects that I'm invested in. Across the top 10 there was a lot of everything was down slightly, but over the last couple of hours things have started to make some gains back. I mentioned in an earlier video that Polygon has started to pull away from Solana, so there is like a big gap between 10th and 11th place. But Solana has held on to its gains. It's still trading above $20, which, you know, considering where it was, it's in a good place, and I believe there's plenty of scope for growth going forward, even though it has given back 8.27% over the last week. So a lot of the coins, they have given back some of the gains they've been making during the last few weeks. Right, anyway, on to the biggest risers of the last 24 hours. RPL's up 10.71%, not something I'm invested in. It's got a tiny market cap, $470 million. Chainlink appears to be doing well, because I know a lot of people got into that and got burned by that, so if they haven't already sold, they'll be sitting underwater and hoping to claw back some of their gains, or people will have been dollar cost averaging in. Neo seems to be doing quite well. Nothing major, but a few coins are doing okay considering we've got a pullback day today. Excuse me, onto VeChain. How are we looking? We're trading at 0.025 cents, so yeah, still in like the similar sort of range we've been in for the last few weeks. So this is just like a daily chart, and it's just trading between 0.24 and 0.25, so we're fairly range bound, consolidating at the moment. Market cap is down slightly at $1.865 billion. Circulating supply is still 72.5 billion. Sentiment wise, I'm not going to bother with it. It's just people shilling other coins. It's, you know, pointless. So shall look at the chart first. Let's look at the chart, see how we're holding up. So I mentioned yesterday that we're in this parallel channel. We had a little bit of we had a big doji there, and we've wicked down almost to the lower end of that channel. We're now in sort of dragonfly doji territory. I'd like to think this is, you know, just potentially, because we're working off that divergence now. The momentum is slowly going to be creeping up towards positive. The MAs, they didn't actually cross, they're just touching, not the MAs, rather the signal line and the MACD line. We've got this golden cross here. So this dragonfly doji here could actually turn into like a bullish engulfing and push through this double top. We'll have to wait and see. Not bullish engulfing obviously, because it's got a massive wick in it, but you know what I mean. And we can aim for the upper end of this channel, should everything carry on playing out as it has been for the last, how long is this? Well, for the last few weeks it's been in this upward trajectory. So chart wise, technical wise, everything's looking good. It's just my main concern is how we will react to this double top. Oh no, it should be a triple top, because we come back to here is yeah, let me just move that up slightly. So it's sort of triple top territory, so it is not make or break, but it is like a key region, 0.026. Should we push through that, then there's a lot of scope to be moving upwards from there, but obviously a lot of this is going to be determined by how Bitcoin performs and the rest of the market, because as you can see we've had a little pullback today, but as previously stated, I don't mind that. It gives me an opportunity. I didn't buy today, but you know, you could have got in at it's minimal different differentials in price, so you know, you've not really missed out. I believe anything below 0.03 is a decent price. Even above that, anything below 1 cent I think is decent, but we'll just, I'm going to keep accumulating. I just haven't today. I've not really had time, not been very well, which is probably why I'm speaking like this. I actually had a nap just now, which was quite nice. You might be able to hear my dog snoring. She seems to nap all the time. Anyway, onto the article. Anyone could become an NFT Master Banksy by using VeChain's superior tech to track any good of the world. The world of V became the first NFT marketplace to implement phygital technology as a service by leveraging on VeChain tech. The VeChain network has been working with reputable organisation in its proof of authority consensus mechanism to secure the blockchain. The VeChain network has gained global recognition for helping to bridge the gap between the Internet of Things and real-world utility. By advocating the power of blockchain tech, VeChain is committed to combining NFTs and the industrial supply chain to help keep track of inventories. Furthermore, the VeChain network has 2 native tokens, VeThor and VET, to help the decentralization and scalability of its blockchain technology. As such, decentralized financial ecosystems are tapping on VeChain's ability to track an item in the real world via blockchain technology. Recently, the world of V became the first NFT marketplace to implement phygital technology as a service by leveraging on VeChain tech. Notably, the combination of the Internet of Things and NFTs, Phygitals allows for the creation of hybrid experiences that can be incorporated into various industries such as retail, entertainment, and art. Additionally, a recent compilation by way of DeFi and blockchain games reveals the importance of VeChain in scaling the GameFi industry. A recent gaming guide notes the location of the item can then be tracked using decentralized tracking systems such as the one in VeChain. Now, anyone has the opportunity to become NFT Master Banksy. The NFT market has emerged as a critical part of the metaverse ecosystem that has scaled to $1 billion industry. Additionally, NFTs has found a niche in helping correct the physical economy world to the digital market from an artistic standpoint. There's this Eisenreich character again. I do recommend you give him a follow on Twitter because he does seem to be really in the know. I'll link the article down below so you can click on his click on the tweet and give him a follow. He's definitely worth following if you're into VeChain. Same for this World of V NFT Marketplace account. VeChain and the crypto market outlook. Earlier last month, the VeChain Foundation released its financial report for the third quarter of 2022. The VeChain Foundation announced a significant increase in its global user base despite the decline in the crypto market value. Furthermore, the VeChain network has been working with reputable organizations in its proof of authority consensus mechanism to secure the blockchain. As a result, the VeChain price has gained over 50% in the past 30 days to trade around 0.026 on Wednesday. With a market capitalization of around $1.9 billion, VeChain has seen its daily traded volume spike by around 76% to $82 million. Similarly, the VeThor token, VeThor, a VIP 180 standard token, has rallied during the past 30 days to a pre-FTX level. A less traded token, VeThor, recorded a market capitalization of $76 million today. The VeChain ecosystem is expected to grow exponentially as it incorporates different aspects of blockchain technology in combination with real-world utility. So that last sentence, obviously not financial advice, is one of the reasons I'm so bullish on this project. So I've got reasons for being bullish on this. So the VeChain ecosystem is expected to grow exponentially as it incorporates different aspects of blockchain technology in combination with real world utility. This isn't some meme coin, some shit coin. This is a token and a company, a big business, with proper people. If you can look them up on LinkedIn, they've got seriously good CVs. They've worked for massive companies like Sonny Liew when he was at right at the top of Louis Vuitton. These people know what they're doing, and they're working with massive companies: BMW, Renault, Walmart. The list is endless. To me, it's a no-brainer that this thing is going to succeed. I'm prepared to be wrong, but I'm banking on myself being right. Not financial advice, of course. So to finish off, let's see what the weekly looks like. So look at that weekly candle, that's beautiful. And our next up could be 0.03 0.32. I'm not saying that's going to happen yet, but you know, that's a reasonable target. And once that's breached, our next target, we're going to be looking at 0.08. So once we can, you know, 1 cent isn't a million miles away. Once we start reaching those levels, we could potentially push through the 50 there. We do have bullish divergence across these lows. If you look there, from this low here to this low here, there's a very, very clear bullish divergence on the MACD. Both the signal line and the MACD line are looking like they're going to cross the zero in the next week or so. So we're in very bullish territory as far as I'm concerned on VeChain. I'm not just going to say bullish without, you know, backing it up with statements of facts. I mean, this candle is turning into a hammer now. So it's looking like we could, yeah, with a little pullback this morning, but money's coming back into the market. Buyers are back here. Sorry, bulls, you can call them bears, you can buyers, sellers, whatever you want to call them, but things are looking good. I think across the whole market, VeChain in particular, what I like is it's rising slowly. It's not like giving you like 100% in a day. We've, since the lows, let's see how much we've made, not made, but what sort of increase we've had. We've had a 67% from where we were to where we are now. That's 67% over the course of a month and a half. Now, to me, that's sustainable. If you can do that every month and a half, you're going to be looking good. So this is a real world project, real utility, realistic growth. Everything for me, you know, looking great. Anyway, as I said before, not financial advice. And once again, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I like to do at least one VeChain video a day, if not every other day. It depends what news is around. If I don't do VeChain, I'll be doing Cardano, Solana, even Bitcoin and Ethereum. It depends on what news is around at the day. But thanks for your time. Drop a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience. And any comments or questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Actually, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go through my comments and start responding to everyone because I've got about 30 or 40 comments I need to work through. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.